actually did not stream quite a long time ago, but let's see. What? I'm thinking that this might be. Okay, the music is not what I need. Chill, concentrate, instrumental. Something like this. Oops, what? Okay, what? Uh, what? Oh, no, no, no. Let me change this. Okay, so this is actually a very weird spot. As you can see, we're at the all-time highs, right? So we are just quite pushing forward. This was a doji and still pushing forward. Chong, chong, chong. I mean, uh, I don't know. This is quite a strong level in my eyes. This one is done. This one is, oops, still, still a good level. Overall, what we can see is we've been there, done that, returned wick. Just like the market has to take those things. Yeah. And we are pushing up right now. This is a weird spot, maybe to 200. I would kind of like this push, I think, for the upside, right? But it's just also quite dangerous one in my eyes because there might be lots of people trying to close it, close the longs, which will initiate this one. Like if we are here and at the close somewhere here or here, I mean, you want this to go down, right? At the market, it looks like it wants to touch those 200 still in any possible circumstances, which is okay for me because we have this, right? This indicates a pivot, like pivot, 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 no pivot, a little pivot, but this is indication for a pivot. But I would prefer to take a long here while we got 1 minute still left, which is there's a trend. We might run deep down if we cross that, but like I would be willing to take a long here for snap of that. If I would have to decide, like, okay, and for the downside, yeah, the shorts are maybe closing, but I would go for longs to this target right on the open, just this extension to the upside, the extension for the all-time highs, and this is what I would be willing to see. Am I brave enough to enter the trade right now? 13, 12, 11, 10. Yeah, let's enter that. Let's enter that for the squeeze to the upside. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yep, yeah. Bravo, bravissimo. I'm not taking 200 as a target. I'm not taking that. I'm just looking for this extension of extension, and then when it's overextended, I'm like out. Phew, nice, nice. I mean, the last time there was maybe Friday was the same thing, but that was instant go up and then down, you know? I might even show you here. Look, this went up through this level, instant, and then drift, 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 drift. This is what I was initially short on here because I saw like this as a rejection, and I was like more short, like short. I wasn't expecting longs, but today was kind of same but different story. I don't know. Was like long extension, long. We go long. I don't know. It's just it is what it is. Yes, I know it's a little, very little comparison to my risk. There was only one contract, which puts us okay. Nice, actually a nice trade. Open it a few seconds just before the open. And yeah, we might initiate this squeeze to the upside, but can we potentially go for even bigger? I don't know. That's a long target already. I mean, that's a like long candle. If we take a comparison in these ones, that's a long squeeze to the upside already. Mm, what do I do if a market would I would be a market? Could I return to this? Like if we potentially break the downside, yeah, maybe. If we break to the upside, potentially. Uh, one thing I didn't do correctly is I said I'm gonna do this next time. I'm sorry. My bad, my bad. Like this is what makes you think it's over. Like also, yes, it's a bit paranoid right there. You know, it's squeezed up, but now we got this rejection. It might get a fast breakdown or CS. Yeah, it's CS. And if I would be, I would have to bet. I would bet for shorts right now. With the risk somewhere here, and for the take profit somewhere here, probably, right? Okay, so okay, I have to concentrate on one more thing. Let's measure that. It's 38.3, 30, 38 point, wait, 38.3, so 0. Oh, point, boy, oh no. Oh, fuck, I might get, fuck, I'm not connected. 29 seconds. How did I miss that? Shit. Good, I'm connected. zero point 0.3, right? Okay. So we got like, oops. Okay, don't worry. You got this, bro. 0. No, zero point 0.4. Let's do 0.4. Buy with zero point 0.4 risk. We know that Nasdaq, if it hits it, it's going through. So we don't need the slippage. And nice, we will be in the trade very soon. But this is a very risky trade. I'm telling you, this is a trade where you are not supposed to get so much overextension on that. Like, well, the target on if you take a look, target is not bad. Like, if we really squeeze up, it's a big probability to go for these 50s, easy. If we don't, if 200s are holding, we are just dropping down through all of this area, then yeah, that's another thing. But right now, it looks like just went through, went deep, now bounce, now go up. If we take a look at this price action, so it's definitely what could happen. So, you know, I'm thinking it's a good place to long actually. Obviously, we had Fed fund rates in 2 days, so market has um, no need to be in a hurry or something like that. Okay, so yeah, it's a good middle like area of that. So we might take those. We might still go like this, or like if we just take a granular look. So, like, okay, let's big picture. Let's do a huge picture. Today's picture, okay? Even yesterday's we can add. But that's a weird picture. Okay, so today's like trend up, broke down. Now we're going for a retest of this trend line. And we got in the trade where like we break that. Yeah, okay, so we're definitely in the trade. And the pivot. Here comes the pivot, which indicates a reversal, straight up reversal. We just wanted to squeeze and see who's there, knock knock on heaven's door now. Okay. Okay. Maybe I don't know. Is it a fake breakout, or we are just gonna continue to the upside? We are just bouncing on this trend line. Our risk is right there, right? So imagine dragons. We are such a weird spot, huh? Such a weird spot. We're not okay. Okay, we started to move. I mean, the the distance is not huge, which is great. On the other hand, it's easy to get right. But if we hit that, so it's like double bottom, yeah, maybe it should be lower. But Nasdaq likes to go all the way like that. So let's see what we got. We're coming, bouncing, bouncing. Interesting trade whatsoever. Still come back to 200 is easy for it. It's very easy. There's one trade, and from the highs, all-time highs, it's easy to go to drop, like super easy to drop from all-time highs. Okay, we came back to this resistance area or support area, and like we're chilling here. If we snap through these highs or come back here, okay, I'm just predicting, but I'm just trying to guess the price action whatsoever. There's a still long way to go. Like 50s is not like something magical. Like 300s is more magical than this. 50s is just average position, right? Would you move your stop loss? No, not yet. It's still, in my opinion, like not in the place it should be. It should be somewhere here. Whereas, like, if we take that maybe with the dip and rip. Wow, we are. Who the fuck? Who is this? Who just draw this trend line? Don't you know? Because this trend line looks quite magnetic, now, right? Okay, so will we have this like momentum? Because right now it's very slow. We are taking what 10 minutes to move inches, and we're always coming back to same areas, same levels. Yeah, just now this price action is not sexy at all. We still made a higher high. Oh wow. Okay, so if we make that again, now this might be a time to move your stop loss to break even, maybe. Decisions, bro. Okay, we might be coming down fast right now. Start to descend. There's a big chance that we'll start a descent. Maybe somewhere bounce off those 200s. Maybe. Okay, 200s resisted. Pivot. What? Where? Why? The fuck? I mean, pivot to where? I don't like what it's doing. It's actually, why I like? Because it's very slow still. And at any moment, it can drop like hell, but also it can be like that there's not enough sellers in this and they're just like pushing it, but not hard enough. We might be. Oh shit, okay, so. Okay, where's my. That. I would even buy here more. I would buy here more. At least for right now. Okay, so that was a clear pivot, right? If that breaks, we just squeeze through here. Definitely, like 100%. This is not okay. I mean, we are not in profits yet, but we're bouncing on 200. Oh, right now on 200. Okay. So yeah, this was definitely the place where if I would be him and like because if we break that, we definitely trigger to that one, and most likely that would be the end. But since my strategy is to get those, okay, do we add? That's the question. Do we add like maybe 1/4 of that? Right? It's below this one. I want to add. At this point, I want to add. By the way, what? Wait. Oh, Pala, wait. Uh, so this is 97. No, it's below that one. Okay, still below that one. But we're probably moving to that one because that was like half of that. Yeah, it's something right there. Okay, good. Yeah, no problem. Okay, good. Good. I like that. Okay. So, yeah, some full risk, not full risk. 4 bucks risk to gain that amount, right? I would love to add more actually. I would love to add more. Like if we break that, that's an opportunity. If we stay like that, we broke down. Yeah, it's obviously not whatever you expect. Let's see what market decides to do. I'm on a 5. What? How much? How many risk? 3, 4.5. Mm, it's a weird spot to be in. So that was what, $1. That might have been the last push, you know. Like all these buyers that wanted to buy now, they will get trapped. That might have been the case. Obviously, that might have been the case. So that's a weird trade. We can definitely pump it up. That's like a pivot state, right? Okay, we are pushing up. We are definitely pushing up. Do I want to enter with more and to move my stop loss to break even? Okay, it's maybe too late now. I don't know what I'm risking. I'm maybe actually would be grateful if I would just yeah, let's see a little bit. If we like make a leg up, like normal, a good leg up, we're moving just stop loss to break even, and we're leaving the straight on. Not a break even. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, moving here and here. Like 50s in the play. I'm expecting 50s to be hit quite well. Yeah, GG, good. One more leg up. Just don't let me down. Don't let me down. Break even is a break even, right? It's also a trade. We added some, we had the risk, we moved, managed the risk. We didn't move too much, we didn't move too early. But yeah, so we'll have the squeeze to the upside, obviously. I would like to. Um, so you have slippage, and you're not. There will be another wave. Don't worry. Like that was obviously quite annoying because I think that was a touch, right? That would be very unfortunate if we don't have another push. Just to be clear on futures, we didn't touch that, so but like okay, no worries, no worries. You got this, bro. If the market wants you to reach that, you will reach that. Yeah, it can drop to this area-ish easily because there was some liquidity here left. You know, don't worry. On futures market, I didn't touch that, so I'm basically fine with this like break-even trade. Just seeing that the market went 99% to my area and got rejected. I would love to see this squeeze to the upside, like the last push, which will be defending like 50. You got this, bro. You got this. We got this. We got this. Just wait for it. Markets will reward the patient ones. If today is not the patient day, then maybe yesterday will be rewarded as a patient day. If today we're screwed on this patience, let it be. Let it be. I know I'm playing for a couple of cents. Here I could close the order right now and still be in a very good spot, but just I want this to show me the power of patience. Okay. Show me the power of patience. Plus, on top of that, if I would be him, I would move like this because I would expect that we would be hitting like somewhere here in that sentence. That if we like squeezed that, we truly squeezed that, that would be like here. Okay, this time. There's a thing that I might have to close this trade actually. We didn't get to this point where it could have been. Oh, it's testing me. Will we see a dip before the rip? Which often happens in these certain areas, you know. When there's lots of indecision, there will be a fake breakout. Wow, like, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wait, what? What was that? So both of the trades closed there-ish because of the slippage. I like slippage. Okay. And here comes ES trade, but we are not trading ES today. Because it's not our day for that. Nice. Nice. So we squeezed some more. Just a little more we added. We squeezed that. Good. Sexy indeed.